program built on a culture of togetherness. Structured classroom training and orientation sessions to set every trainee up for success. The freedom to explore different departments and discover where you truly belong. Direct sessions with unique leadership because mentorship starts at the top. Certifications that recognize every milestone of growth. And a Pride Pillars manual, a companion for the journey ahead. Pride Pillars is our dedicated development program for every young professional taking their first step into the hospitality industry.
We welcome you to Pride Pillars, a program designed to empower fresh talent, enhance your skills, and nurture your potential to be the best in the industry. Wishing you a success as you begin this exciting journey with us.
We are glad to announce the prestigious Pride Pillars program. This is one of the kind program is aimed to elevate the talent across the hospitality industry. My best wishes to the new talent.
Industrial trainees are the most important resources that we have in the hospitality industry, and over the years the industry has given us so much. Now it's time to give back to the industry. We are excited and delighted to launch our Pride Pillars program. This is one of the most unique programs in the hospitality industry. It talks about nurturing the talent, nurturing the fresh students and the graduates from the schools and colleges and taking them to the pinnacle of the hospitality industry.
But every pillar is built on foundational values. Bring your energy, enthusiasm, and love for hospitality to everything you do. Do the right thing always, with honesty, respect, and professionalism. Every guest, every day, every experience is an opportunity to learn and grow. Leadership isn't about a designation. It's about taking initiative, inspiring others, and setting the right example. Dream big, aim higher, and never stop striving to become the very best version of yourself. Take ownership of your actions, your team, and every guest experience you create. When you live these values every day, success is not just a destination. It becomes a journey you'll enjoy throughout your career.
At the heart of Pride Pillars is recognition. We certify our trainees with platinum, gold, and silver internship awards, celebrating their dedication and performance. These certifications open the door to our eminent dream program, giving our most promising talent a defined pathway to grow within the organization.